What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, all my social media links will pop up, alright? There's a lot of people out there still talking to these fake King Hussle pages, getting scammed. And I tell y'all in every video, please get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, today, we're going to be talking about a place where you can get up to $50,000, no doc loans, not decent credit, and it's even CPN friendly. Yes, CPN friendly. So today we're going to be talking about Achieve personal loans and where you can get up to $50,000. They got business loans. They got a lot going on. You get up to $100,000. So today we were talking about how to get this money from Achieve. So basically, when it comes down to loans, credit cards, lines of credit, and anything else, you got to have your credit together. You got to have your paperwork, your documents in order, because there's three factors that the lenders look at when they approve you for a loan. They want to see the debt on your credit, they want to see the payment history on your credit, and they want to see how much debt that you have, because at the end of the day, they want to see, by you asking for this money and we seeing what you all have on your credit, can you pay this back? Can you afford this loan? Are you going to be in any more debt after you pay this loan or after you get this loan? So boom, hold on. Boom, all right, so boom, they look at a lot of different factors. So boom, when you're going to apply for these loans and credit cards and lines of credit, it's a credit factor. So they want to see what's your debt on your credit. They want to see what all you're paying back, your payment history. So do you got exceptional payment history? Do you got okay payment history? Do you got good payment history, right? So boom, once they see that, they want to say, okay, what is your credit score? Because what determines your credit score is your payment history and your debt. If you have a high debt and you're paying off your debt on time, you're going to have a good credit score. If you got a high debt collections and you're not paying them back, you delinquent on some accounts, you're going to have bad credit, of course. So when it comes to hold on, my fault, y'all. When it comes to getting these loans, lines of credit, and credit cards, you got to make sure your paperwork is right. You got to make sure everything is right, so when they go to look, you won't have any problems. So boom, you want to get a credit, you want to get Experian account, you want to go to Experian.com, you want to sign up for $25 a month so you can get to know your 3 FICOs, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Once you know your 3 FICOs, you're going to say, okay, now you can go look at your debt. You're going to know how much you have in debt, and you're going to see what's creating this debt. Your collection accounts. Once you look at those collection accounts, any account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. So by law, those are going to be, when you dispute those accounts, when you dispute those collection accounts, those are going to be the ones that fall off faster, because by law, those are classified as expired. So you're going to get that Experian account. Once you get that Experian account, you're going to go freeze your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax credit profiles. Once you freeze them, you're going to go back and you're going to dispute all your collections, not just the ones that 7 years or older, but you're going to dispute all of them, because you never know. Once you start disputing them, then you're going to wait up to 15 days to start seeing drop-offs. Once you, hold on. Once you start seeing drop-offs, now you're cleaning your credit. Now you're able to start adding trade lines. Now, like I said, trade lines are accounts that you're paying on that's reflected on your credit. So when you go get loans, mortgage loans, auto loans, go finance anything, those are trade lines that's added onto your personal credit report. So, and you can also go buy trade lines. So my whole thing is, instead of just going to buy, getting all these accounts in your name, going to get all this stuff and financing all this stuff, I would suggest you get a couple personal trade lines, primary trade lines, and you go get some from Trade Line Supply, and you go to Credit Strong, and you go to creditrentboost.com, because there's so many different things that you can do to add a lot of different things to your credit report to get points, and we'll talk about that in the next video. But you can add the credit, your rent to your credit. You can add your bills to your credit. You can add all these things to your credit so it can reflect on your credit report, and you can get a boost on your credit. But CreditStrong.com will allow you to get $42,500 in trade lines that will report to your credit each month, every month, long as you're paying on them. Trade Line Supply will give you the AU accounts that you need, which is a credit card accounts that you need, because you need at least 5 credit cards on your credit report to have a good profile. Once you add those, you let it sit there and marinate for a second. Now you're going to have a better chance of getting approved for these loans. Now, like I said before, if you're self-employed, you don't have a job, and you don't get direct deposit, you need to run your money through ADP payroll provider, because that's going to generate you some checks. It's going to generate you bank statements, and they're going to be able to see that, and it's going to help you out when getting these loans, because a lot of people be having problems with bank statements and things like that. But ADP payroll provider will provide those things for you. Once you get you an ADP payroll provider account and you start depositing money, you're going to use that account for the loan that you use, so they can see that when they go check to verify. Boom. And like I said, this is CPN friendly, so you can even get this loan with a CPN. All right, so without further ado, we're going to check out Achieve personal loans up to $100,000, but we all know any loan under $50,000 will be easier to get. Higher, after $50,000, you're going to need more documents, more proof and verifications. So $50,000 or less personal loans. Without further ado, let's go check out Achieve personal loans. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Achieve personal loans, a smarter solution built for you. Find the right loan in a fast, simple, and stress-free way. How much do you want to borrow? $50,000. We've got the process down. 7.5 billion loans to members, 400K plus members we've served, 24 to 72 hours funding turnaround. So that means in a day or two you get funded. You don't got a day to 2 days. You'll be funded. You ain't got to wait too long. You ain't got to wait too long. So how to get the right loan for you? Answer a few questions. A simple and fast application to get to know you. Choose your terms. Pick 2, 3, 4, or 5 years and set your monthly payment date. Use your loan. Consolidate debt. Renovate your home or make major purchases. Our superpower, being human, getting to know you is how we find the right solution for you. So simple and fast, same day decision, funds sent to 24 to 72 hours. Rate discounts, multiple ways to personalize and lower your rate. A human touch, the phone or online, a dedicated loan consultant will be here for you. All right, so real people. So Vicky helped me from the application to get approved to the funding. She was with me through the process. She walked me through everything I needed to know and submit. So it's different questions. What is a personal loan through Achieve? And it tells you it's a low fixed rate loan between $5,000 and $50,000 with a loan terms of 2 to 5 years. So your monthly payments don't change. There's no hidden fees or prepayment penalty. Why should I consider a personal loan with Achieve? Using a credit cards can be expensive. A personal loan can be a smarter way to consolidate debt or fund a major purchase. How long does the process take? We offer same day decision. Funds can be sent to you within 24 to 72 hours. So it's just different loans. You can mess with the calculator. 47, get started. It's gonna probably ask for your information and all that. Y'all know you gotta fill that out. So you can, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna run you through the process, right? So Achieve personal loans up to $50,000. They working with, if you got a CPN built the right way, you can get the loan. and do what you need to do. So achieve. Without further ado, let's go talk about them. They got mortgage debt, they got fine loans, personal loans, home equity loans, Be Savvy, dollars and cents, articles, Achieve. They got Meet Us, they got member stories, About Achieve. They got employee stories, press room, blogs, partners, careers, contact us. They got a lot of different things. All right, so that's the personal loan right here. So make sure y'all tapping in with Achieve personal loans. Make sure y'all go fill out all the information that you need to fill out. Make sure you got all your documents together before you go fill out the loan and get approved for the loan. Make sure you got a bank account, checking and savings. Make sure you got the ADP payroll provider if you're self-employed. Make sure you clean your credit and add those trade lines before you go, and you'll have a better chance of getting approved, right? So without further ado, let's talk about Achieve personal loans up to $50,000. So let's talk about it. Achieve personal loans up to $100,000, but we're gonna stick at the $50,000 range because that's where you, long as it's under $50,000, you will have to provide less paperwork. And long as you follow the steps that I provided to you in the beginning of the video, you will have a better chance of getting approved. So let's just go through them steps one more time. First, you're gonna get your credit report. Experian, go get you an account, $25 a month. Second, you're gonna see all the collections on your account. You're going to see all the debt on your account. Once you do that, boom, you're going to go freeze your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax accounts. Once you freeze them, you're going to go back and dispute all your collections. Any collection account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. So those are going to be the ones you see falling off first. It takes up to 15 business days to start seeing results. You could see something sooner. Once you start seeing the fall offs, once you start cleaning up your credit, then you're going to add the trade lines. You're going to go to creditstrong.com. You got up to $42,500 that you can add on creditstrong.com, and you got hundreds of choices that you can add from Trade Line Supply to add your credit cards to your AU account. So you can buy the credit card accounts. You won't get the credit card, but you can add it onto your credit report, and it'll look like you got 5 credit cards. So you got 5 credit cards reporting up to $100,000. If you have trade lines reporting up to $40,000, you now have $140,000 being reported on your credit report with exceptional history, payment history. Long as you got you a $3,000 to $5,000 credit card on your personal, you can leverage that towards your business and get you a $15,000 to $20,000 credit card. So make sure you guys are following those steps. If you're self-employed, make sure you got an ADP payroll provider that you're running your money through so you can start generating a paper trail for your money so banks and lenders can see that. So you won't be like, why I ain't get approved? Because you didn't follow those steps. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all follow the instructions. Achieve personal loans up to $50,000. Credit, you can have decent credit, 500 credit score minimum, $50,000 personal loans, and it's CPN friendly. So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all go do what y'all need to do to get approved for this loan, all right? Anybody, shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained, all right? So make sure y'all stay tuned. And hold on, because a lot of people don't understand. Bro, you slow. I ain't even feeling right back. Boom. Also, anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, you want to learn how to build your credit, clean your credit, get loans, lines of credits, and credit cards, all that good stuff, it's going to be $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to be $1,500. So make sure you tap into my credit business, New Age Credit Repair. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, it's going to be $500. FaceTime one-on-ones. You pick what one lesson that you want to learn, what one topic that you want to learn, and I'm going to teach you that. So make sure you tap it in. Also, make sure you tap it in and getting your unlimited gems. FaceTime one-on-ones, $1,200. Unlimited gems, the CPN sauce. It's going to be documents. It's going to be credit sauce. It's going to be how to make passive income, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, whatever you want to know. So make sure you tap into your unlimited gems. We're going to get you together. Also, make sure y'all tapping into the mentorship. It's going to be all the unlimited gems. Plus, I'm going to put you in this position to make money with me. We're going to make a YouTube automation channel or channels, multiple if you want to, and we're going to start building them. We're going to start making money. So if it's making $20,000, you get 10, I get 10. If it's making 15, you get 7.5, I get 7.5. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all book your seats on the crypto tour. In-person limited gyms, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. If you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit, and the rest of the money will be meet in person. Also, still looking for people from our production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameramen. Let's build this team. Let's build this production company, and let's get this money. Any rapper, any singer out there looking to sign, get their watch, get their chain, start making money with their music. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200 plus into you? Make it make sense. Any beautiful ladies out there that's ready to elevate, ready to grow, ready to get their brand and platform off the ground, ready to try new things, ready to really take off in life, tap in. Let's work. I'm going to have you doing a lot of different things, from interviews, skits, blogs, interaction with the fans. I might even have you doing some music. It don't matter. As long as you give yourself a lot different avenues and different opportunities to win and grow, you will be able to pop off with something. It might not be what you want to pop off with, but it might help to pop off with what you want to pop off with. So if we doing multiple things and you want to be a singer, but you pop off with being a podcast, doing podcasts, or pop off with doing YouTube, walking around asking relationship questions, then you never know. Then you can start doing what you want to do, and it'll translate over. So any beautiful ladies out there with a good head on their shoulders, you can't be corrected, you can't be directed, I can't work with you. No bad attitudes, good head on their shoulders. Let's work, let's elevate, teamwork, make the dream work. All right, I got you. Also, any cameraman out there, good editing skills, good camera, 4K or better, good masking, FX effects, all that, tap in. Let's work. Content equals views, views equals money. The more content we create, the more views we get, the more money we make. Easy as that. So I'm looking for a team to grow and build with. All right, so make sure y'all tap in on that. Anybody out there looking to get that Cash App glitchy, get that good. If y'all really run them bands up, tap into my Telegram, point blank period. Y'all know what's going on. Cash App glitchy, $250. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure the Cash App, the payment is on y'all balance. Send me the screenshot of it being on y'all balance before y'all contact me. Y'all won't respond, and let's get to this money. So make sure y'all tapping in on my Telegram. Link is in my description, in my community post. Don't miss out on that. $250 Cash App glitchy, and the rest of the information to come with that. Also, make sure y'all just tapping in, running up the subscribers on these YouTube channels, running up the followers on my social media accounts. Let's win, let's grow. Shout out to everybody that's been making money. Shout out to everybody that's been tapped in. Shout out to everybody that's been getting their credit together. Shout out to everybody that's been getting their life together, because we're going to continue to grow, we're going to continue to build, and we're going to continue to have fun. So y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.